Okay. So Max, which pole do you want to pick out? You have all those options to the left, all these options to the right, and all these options.
How do you even cast the rods without the...
So, here, let me. So on this one, like the open cast. Oh my gosh, I'm not tall. Oh.
This one is my personal favorite. It's pretty easy to cast, actually. Is there any with mine? Well, I guess they're not all. But on these, this one's gonna be. Let me see if I can get the handle right.
Right?
Oh, Celine likes this one. So all you do is you flip this, and the line's gonna be through here, and you'll grab your line, and then you just go to cast it, and as you throw, you let your finger go. And then once your line is in the water, you just flip this, and then you reel. It's pretty easy, I'm not gonna lie to you. Push button is definitely the easiest, but this one is pretty easy to get used to after you get a few practice runs.
Choices.
That one is
You gotta give it the wiggle test. Does that got a good wiggle?
Is it supposed to? So like...
No, it's just.
Max caught a big one.
You wanna hold the pole? She doesn't know what she's doing.
Here, Sal.
Wow.
Right
Dora.
Here. Right here.
You don't look like Dora. Get her a Spider-Man one. That catches out.
Sorry.
We'll see the great choice you made at the great outdoors. Oh, I can't get it to focus. Wildmire. Interesting.
Oh, sorry.
Bruh. Feasting. I'm ready.
Okay. That was still really good.
It left the pole. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's a river monster. Fish on, fish on,
Catfish, catfish.
fish on. Nice. I think you're ready.
It went in the same spot.
Max.
Third time's charm. Holy
yeah.
smokes.
Oh, he's ready.
I think you went to the moon.
Oh, shoot. It's coming closer.
Yep, it's out there.
What's wrong, bud?
Let's see if we can catch Max's first bass. What are you thinking? Yeah, me too. Moment of truth. First cast.
It's okay.
There you go. Just hold it like a trigger.
Oh, look at him go.
Nice. Alright, now cast just like you casted. There you go. Of course, Katie catches one.
Sneaky little guy.
Good job, babe.
I thought I was snagged.
Alright, Max. Third time's a charm. This one's it. I believe in you. There you go. Bring it in, bring it in. Bring it in. Might be snagged. That's what we call stickfish. Catch a lot of those. Henry Stickmin, yeah. Nice. That's really at a good speed. Right, baby? That's what I'm saying. I think he's gonna catch one too. You got this, Max. Oh, reel. Oh, you had a bite. I saw it. So you gotta reel a little bit faster. That's good though.
Did you feel him go on there?
There you go, that speed. There you go. There you go. Yeah, bring him in. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Got you a crappie, I think.
Yeah, he did.
Nice.
Look at that. You got him good.
And we had it on Vidya. Yeah, we had it on Vidya. Nice, there you go. Another one. Back to back. That's a black crappie. He's a really crazy black crappie. Holy crap. Why are you so mad?
Did you get him, Max, or you want me to get him?
Yeah, you just gotta grab him by the mouth. He'll open up the mouth.
You can do it. Just kind of
You got it.
up there.
Yeah.
And we jumped too. It's okay.
Just grab him, Max.
Grab him, Max. It's okay.
Yeah, just grab him. They don't.
Can you do it?
I'll get him.
Maybe. He might go back by himself. Look at him.
No, the camera's twisted.
Feisty.
There he goes. You want to hold him? No? You want to throw him back? Okay. You got it. Throw him in there.
Say see you later, stinker.
Yay! I'm officially outfished.
Back to back to back? Question mark. Try to aim a little bit higher on your throw. There you go. Huh? Yeah. No. We'll see. Finally caught us a fish. Little crappie. What do you think, Beanie Weenie? You like crappie or you just like the rod? Yeah, me too. He goes for the swing. Readjusting. Or nice.
I felt the water come off your rod.
Yeah, me too.
Sorry.
We're in the splash zone.
Oh, this is a good one. Max, you want to reel this one in?
A little bit of grass action too.
Oh, I barely got him.
Nice.
Good, good.
Got a little bashy bash. Looking. Largemouth bass. See you later, stinker. Yeah.
Hey.
You got a little stinker? Doubled up with Katie?
He's planning something.
Is he?
Yeah.
Better make him do some front flips before he plans something else. Let's see it. Acrobatic.
You should measure it with your pole.
Humongous.
You hear me?
Bubba, thank you for biting. Let's see how acrobatic you are. Yay! Sick. Thank you, buddy. Let's see how acrobatic you are. Oh, what the heck happened? Got my best one of the day. Little chunky butt. Probably like 30 pounds. Let me know what y'all think. See how acrobatic you are. Yay! Acrobatic. Look, Celine. Dad got another one. What do you think? You think he's acrobatic? Check it out. Yay! Kind of belly flop there, huh? Tough. Get it, Max! Sheesh! Nice! Quick release. Again.
Are they
Give-
so obedient?
Huh?
Are they so obedient?
They're obedient? He's a good boy. I think that's what they call him. Let's see how acrobatic he is. Give him a little tossy toss. Oh! It's in the water.